Alright everyone, hope you all are doing well. So this is the EDIFIER 820BT. There will be two more unboxing of the 830BT and also the 860BT on our channel. Anyway, so this is the 820BT. Recently I was on the local shop on our town and I found that this headphone is available. Then I thought, okay, let's pick this one. But I was meant to pick the 830BT first, but I saw that the 830BT is not currently available due to this coronavirus pandemic situations. Every single things is not in stock. So I got the 820BT and it's an excellent headphone for the price. And here you can see the price. It's pretty inexpensive. Let me show you the specification a little quick. The most important thing, it is Bluetooth 4.1. That's a little bummer, but I kind of don't feel bad about that thing because it also worked pretty well. And the main important thing is it has 40mm drivers and it lasts for 80 hours, and that is the interesting part of this headphone. And for gaming purposes, this is an excellent headphone. I'll test them. If you also want to see them, then you can definitely subscribe. I'm going to do dedicated gaming test with these headphones. That's what I do usually. Anyway, the gaming test will also be over the 830BT and also on the 860BT because those are also excellent, just amazing headphone. I have talked a lot about the headphone. Anyway, I hope you are not bored yet. We're gonna go inside for the first time because I have never unboxed any headphone on my channel. Previously I was using another headphone. Let me bring that headphone for you. Okay, so this is my previous headphone that works perfectly. So this is the Remax 195dB and it's an excellent headphone, no complaints. It's been already more than 4 years and it is still pretty fine. I have no complaints. But as I do gym with my headphone, I go to gym with my headphone. Here you can see the condition of my headphone is pretty rough and pretty bad, but it's an excellent pair of headphones that still works. I don't know how can I open this one. I hope that from this side maybe. Anyway, so this is the box. It looks very shiny over here and it's heavy. It's about 250 gram or a little more than that. Doesn't matter. You will see the full review on my channel very soon. Anyway, I think we are going to open this box from this side or where. Finally, I got how to open this one. It's still kind of a little hard. Here's the headphone and let's pick this thing out of the box. Let's check this thing out. This is looking gorgeous right now. It is just matte finish. Okay man, come on. It is amazing looking. The cushions over here are very soft and subtle. Anyway, let's drop this thing for a little moment and I think here we'll get our charger and also our 3.5mm to 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is the micro USB charger. I wish it had Type-C because all my chargers are Type-C right now, but this one is micro USB. That sucks a little bit. Anyway, still I'm happy. The main show of the house is this headphone that is just, believe me, it looks gorgeous. So it is Bluetooth and also wire supported headphone. We can also fold this one. Then it is just very helpful. Here you can see we can definitely fold this one. That was about the quick unboxing. Anyway, that is all for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys really did to check the review, come back next week. That's nice. Anyway, goodbye.